Now I already know this mistake is going to be a huge one, and it is a huge one for a lot of people out there, okay? This is when you get toward the intermediate advanced stages, when you start cutting the top of your head with scissors, okay? When you're going in and you're cutting the top of your head with scissors and your hair is wet, it's very important that you only take off a little bit. And what I mean by a little bit, it's like take off at first, okay? And you can just double check this when you're done, right? But the first time you guys cut your hair on top, right? On the top of your head, the first time, I just want you to take off like this much, all right? Like a third of an inch, not half an inch. Just take off a little, like a little trim. Just trim the edges, all right? Trim the edges, and then maybe go take a shower, let your hair dry, maybe style it and see how it looks, all right? Because sometimes you might, and there's been a lot of, I've seen this so many times where people cut their hair and they cut off so much, like not even realizing that they're cutting off so much. And then when they look at themselves, when they're showered and the hair is dry and they see themselves in the mirror, like, yo, why is my hair so short, right? That's what I want you guys to avoid. So if you're trying to keep a certain haircut and a certain length of hair on top, start really small with the scissors, okay? You got the scissors, right? And you're pulling up the hair, and the hair is wet, of course, because your hair should always be wet when you're cutting the top of your head, unless you have like super stick straight hair and it's thin, but that's besides the point. And when you're cutting your hair on top, just a tiny bit, man, a tiny bit, just so you can understand what this much does to your specific hair, all right? It's just, this is like a specific thing only for you. How much, what would my haircut look like right now before the haircut? And then when I cut this much off, right? Let's say a third of an inch or a quarter of an inch. Let's cut off a quarter of an inch, finish, all right? Take a shower, dry my hair. Now how does my haircut look, right? If it looks the same, or if it looks like nothing really changed, well then now you can go ahead and cut like half an inch, maybe an inch, depending on what you're trying to do for that haircut, right? What's your goal for that haircut? But that's pretty much it for the mistake, which is avoiding cutting too much hair off the top of your head right away, right? Especially when it's the very first time you're using scissors on your head, okay? Take it slow. Don't cut off too much, right? Just cut off a tiny bit. Cut off a tiny bit of hair for the very first one, just so you can kind of gauge where your hair is at, what it looks like. And then for future haircuts, when you cut the top, you now know, okay, I can now cut a little bit more because I know what my haircut does after I wet it and then dry it again. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this one helped.